Most people overpay when forming an LLC in California, and not because the process is complicated, but because they choose to go with the wrong service. And in California, that mistake doesn't just cost you once, it can cost you every single year going forward. So in this video, we're going to break down how California LLC formation services actually work, what many platforms don't clearly explain, and how to choose the best formation service for your California LLC. Because once you understand how these services are structured, the right choice becomes a lot easier. But first, here's one thing about forming your LLC in California that makes it very different from other states, which plays a big role in how it should be approached. California is one of the largest economies in the world. For many business owners, it offers a massive customer base, strong demand across industries, and long-term growth potential. But alongside that opportunity comes a key factor you need to understand: the $800 annual franchise tax. This is an item every California LLC must fulfill, and you're required to pay it even if your business isn't generating any income yet. That means your costs don't just come from forming the LLC, they continue every year, which is why the way you set up your LLC from the beginning actually matters more than most people think. This is where choosing the right California LLC formation service becomes important, because not all services are structured the same way. There's many companies in the online market offering California LLC formation services, and at first glance, they all seem to offer the same thing: fast and simple setup with the low starting price. But when you actually go through the process, you start to notice how these platforms really work. You begin your California LLC application online, select the basic package, and everything feels straightforward at first. But as you continue, you're introduced to additional steps. You're asked if you want help obtaining your EIN, then whether you need an operating agreement, and compliance support for ongoing requirements. To be clear, these aren't unnecessary features, and most businesses actually need them. So naturally, many users choose to include them during the process. But here's where things shift. As you continue through checkout, the total cost starts increasing, and by the final step, the price is often significantly higher than what you saw in the beginning. This is one of the most common patterns across the industry, and for many people that can be confusing, because the decision was made based on the starting price and not the total cost. So instead of focusing only on price, it's much more useful to understand how the service is structured and focus on the value, because once you see that difference, you can make a more informed decision. When choosing the best California LLC formation service, there are a few key things to look for: clear and transparent pricing, proper handling of your formation documents, support with compliance requirements, and guidance beyond just the initial setup. Because forming an LLC isn't just about getting approved, it's about setting it up correctly so you don't run into any issues later on. At BusinessRocket, our goal is to simplify that process. Once you start your California LLC formation, you know exactly what's included from the beginning. No unexpected add-ons during checkout, and no confusion about what you need. And if you require additional support, whether it's your EIN, operating agreement, or help with compliance, these options are presented to you in a clear way from the start. That's why forming an LLC in California isn't just about submitting the paperwork, it's about setting it up in a way that avoids unnecessary costs and complications later. If you're ready to start your California LLC formation, check the link below and get everything set up correctly from day one. If you take a few minutes to choose the right service at the beginning, you'll save yourself time, money, and frustration down the road. If you still have any questions, please drop them in the comments and we'll help you out. We'll see you in the next video.